Let me be honest with you. If everything about your looks were fine, you wouldn't have clicked this video. The truth is, you're not ugly. You're just doing things every day that are quietly ruining your appearance. This isn't about confidence or magic products and no fake motivation. Just the daily habits that are slowly working against you. And once you understand this, everything starts to make sense. Bad habit number 1. Speaking negatively about your appearance. This is where the damage begins. When people constantly criticize their own appearance, the brain starts accepting those thoughts as truth. Over time, that negative self-talk turns into an identity. Effort drops, motivation fades, healthy habits don't last. Because deep down, the belief becomes, why try? But the reality is this: in most cases, the problem isn't appearance, it's lifestyle and habits. Poor sleep, junk food, lack of movement, staying indoors for long hours, and behaviors that drain energy all show up on the face and body. There is no shortcut or miracle that overrides neglect. Change starts with stopping the negative label. Every time you speak badly about your appearance, you reinforce it mentally. So replace criticism with consistent effort. Discipline improves health, and health improves energy, and energy changes how you look and carry yourself. Bad habit number 2. Being lazy and out of shape. This doesn't just affect your health, it shows up on your face and body. Poor fitness reduces circulation, which means less oxygen and nutrients reaching your skin. The result? Dull complexion, tired eyes, poor posture, and a body that looks heavy and low energy, even with a healthy weight. You don't need perfect abs to look good, but when the body isn't used, muscles weaken, posture collapses, and breathing becomes shallow. That lack of vitality is clearly visible. People don't read it as tired, they read it as unhealthy and unconfident. But guess what? Movement restores what laziness takes away. Even light activity like walking, stretching, a few push-ups, or dancing boost blood flow. It improves posture, sharpens facial features, and brings natural energy back into your presence. Energy is attractive. Good posture is attractive. A body that moves regularly looks alive, and that changes how you are seen. Bad habit number 3. Skipping basic hygiene. This habit affects how you look within seconds of being seen. Poor hygiene dulls your appearance immediately. Greasy hair, stained teeth, body odor, or dirty nails override facial features and clothing. No matter how attractive someone is naturally, neglected hygiene signals carelessness, and attraction drops instantly. People notice right away. They may not say anything, but they subconsciously step back, shorten conversations, and create distance with you. It's not about judgment, it's about instinct. But guess what? The good news is that hygiene is the easiest upgrade you can make. How? Brush your teeth in the morning and nighttime. Take a bath daily. Wash your face. Wear clean clothes. Use deodorant. These small actions dramatically improves your appearance. Don't see hygiene as extra effort. See it as maintenance. Just like a phone needs daily charging to function well, your appearance needs daily care to stay sharp. Bad habit number 4. Constantly touching your face. This habit quietly sabotages your skin. Most people touch their face dozens of times a day without realizing it. Every touch transfers dirt, oil, and bacteria from the hands directly into the pores. The contamination leads to clogged pores, breakouts, and skin irritation, no matter how good your skincare routine is. Frequent touching also worsens active acne, Pressing, picking, or popping pimples increases inflammation and significantly raises the risk of dark marks and long-lasting scars. The solution is awareness. The moment you notice your hand moving toward your face, stop and lower it. Keep your hands occupied. Hold a pen, rest them in your pockets, or keep them busy with some other task. It may feel unnatural at first, but over time, it dramatically improves your skin clarity. Bad habit number 5. Eating like you don't respect your body. This habit shows on your face faster than you think. Excess sugar, oily junk food, and late night eating, especially without real hunger, disrupts hormones, increase inflammation, and spike insulin levels. The result is breakouts, dull skin, puffiness, uneven texture, and premature aging. It's not just weight gain, it's a visible damage. The issue isn't about enjoying pizza or treats occasionally. The real problem is mindless eating. Eating out of boredom, stress, endless scrolling, or emotional suppression. That isn't hunger, it's just neglect. So, follow the 80-20 rule. Eat nourishing whole foods about 80% of the time. Enjoy your favorite treats 20% of the time without guilt. When food becomes fuel instead of distraction, skin clears, energy rises, posture improves, and your entire appearance starts to change. Bad habit number 6, destroying your sleep. Sleep is not optional. I always say that in my vlogs. It's repair time for your face and body. When sleep is consistently cut short, the damage shows quickly. Blood flow to the skin drops. Collagen repair slows down, and stress hormones rise. The result is dark circles, dull and uneven skin tone, puffiness, fine lines, and a constantly tired expression. Mood worsens, energy crashes, and even the brain slows down, making you look and feel older than you are. Poor sleep doesn't just affect how you feel, it changes how your face looks every single day. So what's the fix? The fix is simple but powerful. Go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time. Even on weekends, avoid bright screens before sleep. Read or wind down until your body naturally relaxes. Do this consistently for 1 week and the difference shows clearly on your face. Brighter skin, calmer eyes, and restored energy. Remember, sleep is one of the fastest, most natural upgrades for your appearance. Bad habit number 7, dressing like you don't care. This habit shapes how you are judged before you even speak. Style has nothing to do with brand names or expensive clothes. It's about effort. Wrinkled shirts, dirty shoes, or poorly fitting clothes instantly signal carelessness, even if that's not what you are. People read it as a lack of self-respect, and first impression becomes the last impression. You don't need a large wardrobe. All you need is a few clean, well-fitting pieces that sit properly on your body and look intentional. Clothing that fits and is taken care of improves posture, presence, and confidence. And remember, presentation matters because people see you before they understand your personality, and your effort is always noticed. Bad habit number 8, nail biting. This habit instantly damages your appearance. Hands are one of the first things people notice. When you hold a phone, make a payment, or gesture while speaking, chewed nails and torn cuticles signal anxiety and neglect, and they quietly reduce attractiveness. It's not subtle. Nail biting also weakens nails, makes them uneven and damaged, and transfers bacteria from under the nails directly into the mouth, affecting both hygiene and health. So how to fix it? Simple. Keep nails short, clean, and trimmed. A basic manicure creates a visual barrier that makes biting less automatic. Remember, small details matter, and hands are one of them. Bad habit number 9, too much caffeine. Caffeine isn't the problem. The problem is overuse. When caffeine intake is excessive, sleep quality drops, stress hormones rise, and the skin pays the price. The most common signs are breakouts, dehydration, puffiness, under-eye darkness, and a permanently tired look that no makeup can hide. Too much caffeine also disrupts sleep cycles, which slows skin repair and collagen recovery. No skincare routine can undo damage that starts internally. So what's the solution? How to fix it? It's simple and effective. Limit caffeine to no more than 2 cups per day and avoid it after 6 p.m. Your body needs to wind down at night, not stay alert, so you can protect your sleep, skin, and long-term appearance. Bad habit number 10, neglecting natural light. This habit drains your appearance from the inside out. Spending most of the day indoors in darkness and constantly scrolling lowers energy levels and reduces natural circulation. Over time, skin loses brightness, the face looks tired, and the body feels heavy and low energy. Natural light isn't just about tanning. It regulates vitamin D, circadian rhythm, hormones, sleep quality, and skin health. When sunlight is missing, mood drops, sleep worsens, and it all shows on your face. You don't need long sun exposure. Step outside for 5 to 10 minutes every morning. No phone, no headphones, just movement, breathing, and natural light reaching your eyes. This simple habit improves skin clarity, sleep depth, mood, and overall energy faster than most people expect. Bad habit number 11, being rude or disengaged. Even strong physical features lose impact in front of a poor attitude. Ignoring basic manners, staying glued to your phone while someone is speaking, or treating people like they're invisible instantly lowers attractiveness. It signals disinterest, arrogance, and emotional absence, none of which are appealing. What is attractive is presence, eye contact, active listening, being fully in the moment. These qualities make someone feel seen, and that creates connection. So how can you fix this? When someone is with you, be there. Put the phone down, look up, listen with intention. Today, in a distracted world, genuine presence is rare, and that's what makes it magnetic. Bad habit number 12, living in constant stress. Stress doesn't stay in your head. It shows on your face, posture, and energy. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which breaks down collagen, accelerates skin aging, disrupts hormones, and damages sleep. Over time, it creates dull skin, tension in the face, shadow breathing, and a drained appearance. Many people try to fix this the wrong way by mindless eating, smoking, alcohol, endless scrolling, or staying stuck in toxic situations. These don't reduce stress, they amplify it. One simple practice helps immediately. Stop. Breathe in deeply. Hold for 2 seconds. Then slowly exhale fully. Do this for 2 minutes. It sends a direct signal to your nervous system to calm down. Attractiveness isn't just about looks or genetics. It's about energy, how you regulate yourself, how you treat others, and how you show up in the world. So, drop the habits that are holding you back, and you will naturally start showing up with confidence, clarity, and presence. Now, here's your challenge. Pick one habit from this video, the one you know is hurting you the most, and start fixing it today. Not tomorrow, not some other day. Today. Commit to it for 7 days. Watch how your energy changes, how you feel in your body, how you look in the mirror, and how differently you carry yourself. Because people don't fall for perfection. They respond to effort. If this video made you pause, reflect, or want to do better, subscribe to the channel. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about building your better version, one habit at a time. I'll see you soon.